opening this mysterious package that somebody just gave to my dad in the background. Alright, so I think, whoa, this just came out of the bag. Is that supposed to happen? I don't think so, but okay, so I'm opening it. What is this? Shoes or Crocs? I don't know what it is. No, I know it's a type of shoe or Crocs. I don't know. But all I know is that this is a Coke float.
Magandang buhay po mga ka-farmer.
See the Coco? Let's see the Coco.
Ngayon, simple yan naman. Pero ito nga, tayo na po kami.
Whoops!
Gawa ng, ano po, hindi na po kasing lakas nung nakaraang linggo, naka-22 po kami. Kaya talagang grabe.
So, in the comments below, I'll put the recipe to this Coke float.
Malaking linggunan, pero sa kagaya po natin,
So you can make it.
medyo sabi natin, no? Malaki na po, easy na talaga.
Or if you already know how to make it, you don't need to copy the recipe. But there's a secret ingredient. But I didn't add it today.
Isang buwan po, okay na po kami doon. Kasi, siyempre, ayoko din. Yung buwan po yun, mabot na lang. Hindi ko lang, 80 na. So, yun, mabot na po ng ganong karami.
So this is actually my lolos, which means grandpa in Tagalog. I'm just gonna get into them really quick. Yes.
Napakarami namang kita. Bumugustos mo nito. Ganun talaga. Naramdaman ko lang nakalinggo eh. Hindi, pagod kasi ang make-up. Mahirap. Parang takbo ka ng takbo ba? So, buti na lang yung mga farmer natin na kayo.
Coming!
Sabay-sabay na lang po namin.
So yeah, bye!